Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin, okay? So, let's see. So we have here the Sun, the happiest card in the deck, Leo energy, and the High Priestess. And we also have here the Knight of Cups. And, two Knights here, Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands. We also have here the King of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Empress. Bottom card natin, Queen of Wands. So, may strong energies tayo dito ng Leo, Pisces, Virgo, and Libra placements. Ayan. So, tinan muna natin anong message na Archangel natin dito. Dahil mukhang maaaring may two persons na interesado na to offer you this cup of love. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang kabalyero. So, tingnan natin. Take Back Your Power by Archangel Raziel. Use your God-given power and intention to manifest blessings in your life. So, malakas ang yung manifestation power. Gamitin mo yan sa tama. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Lalo na kung minamanifest mo mangyari. Itong mga darating sa buhay mo ngayon. Lalo na itong new person coming in or dalawang person na interesado sa iyo ngayon. So, tingnan natin. Mukhang wish granted ito. Okay. Tingnan natin sa mga signs and symbol cards natin. Pero for some of you, mukhang busy-busyhan, no? Mukhang busy-busy sa work, sa inyong career, business. So, we have here sweets, ground, coins, deep well, snake, and crystal ball. So, mag-ingat lang dahil maaaring isa sa kanila is not so genuine. Ayan. So, maaaring snake energy pala your karmic relationship or lesson in life. Ayan. So, maaaring twin flame connection na ang isa sa kanila ay your karmic. Twin flame and karmic pala itong dalawang person na to. And we have here letter sa bottom card. Okay, so kung twin flame connection yan, one is your twin flame and the other one is the karmic partner, lessons in life, or kung ano man yan na dalawang tao na darating sa buhay mo ngayon. So, tingnan natin sa mga tarot messages, oracle cards natin. I have fear and anxiety. Okay. Stubborn but practical. So, maaaring ito yung nararamdaman nila ngayon. Ayan. May mga nagpapaka-practical pero, or kung dati, may nagpaka-practical before. Maaaring kasing past person mo na to or galing na siya sa past na muling nagbabalik yung isa sa kanila. No, na may pinili siya na nagpaka-practical lang before. Tapos ngayon, susuyuin ka ulit, pwedeng ganun. And, mukhang hindi pa rin nakalat ko. Lalo na kung twin flame energy to na yung iyong twin flame ay nag-run away, tumakbo, palayo, iniwasan ka, tas ngayon muling nagbabalik loob, ganyan. And the other one is a karmic partner na parang siya ay magbibigay ng lesson sa'yo kung papaano nyo gagampanan na dalawa ng iyong twin flame ang inyong mission. So, we have here, I will fight for you. So, mukhang ready na ipaglaban ka. It hurts so badly, I'm willing to take the risk. Yan o. Talagang willing na siya mag-take ng risk dito and ipaglaban ka. So, kumbaga dati siya parang naduwag siya dahil nga parang naging convenient para sa kanya. Nagpaka-practical siya na piliin yung karmic partner. Kaya ngayon, parang na-realize niya na ang sakit, pala nun, ayan, o 'di ba, it hurts so badly na pinili niya yung taong hindi para sa kanya or ang sakit ng lesson na ibinigay sa kanya nung karmic na yon, karmic energy, karmic partner, kung ano man, kung saan niya nakuha yung karmic lesson na yon. So, willing na siya mag-take ng risk kung excite na siya na to make this happen. Business is business, o ayan, busy sa business, and I want to see you this weekend. So, maring ready na siya na makipagkita sa'yo very soon. So, tingnan natin mga messages natin sa The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. I look for you everywhere. I love you. Oh, and my life is not as together as it seems. So, parang ano siya diyan na hindi kumpleto ang buhay niya, na nawala ka, tapos yung mga nangyayari sa buhay niya, feeling mo ang saya-saya niya pero hindi pala. I feel you even though we are apart. So kahit na in separation kayo, ayan, feel pa rin niya. I couldn't let you get close to me. Finding out the truth crushed me. So maaaring yung katotohanan about the karmic partner na pinili niya, it's time for me to heal now. So mukhang nag-heal pa siya from that karmic energy, karmic lessons, and I know I was a distraction from your pain, and you speak to me through music. So, let's see, kuha tayo ng initials natin dito. Pwedeng initials ng pangalan nyo or anything na pwedeng mabuo na words na connected sa inyo. So, let's see. X, G, C, T, A, Z, W, B, Q, barbecue, P, N, K, letter E, bottom card. So, let's see, sa blue card, we have here, ayan, the runner, manifestation, and chemistry. Okay, so sayang ang lakas pa naman ng chemistry, perfect match, perfect combination, compatible. Okay, so let's see sa ating general signs and the messages. Ayan, so mga keywords na lang to, hindi na natin kailangan ni-explain. Ayan, so may mga ano din siya, marami din siyang messages dyan na gustong sabihin sa'yo. So we have here fantastic friend. So maring yung karmic na yun is maring a friend na parang sinabi niya dati sa'yo is hindi mo kailangan pagsilosan yan kasi friends lang daw sila. Tapos ayun, nalaman mo, di ba? Karmic partner. So, we have here Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ayan, twin flame energy. Maring kapitbahay lang pala, malapit. Diba? Madaling puntahan. Neighbor. So, we have here eye contact. Rainy season. So, ngayong rainy season talaga, no? Ang daming energies ng reminiscing the past. Nagsisenti during rainy days. Nagre-reach out, ganyan. We have here, Visayas, July, soon, and number 1. Luzon, intelligent. September, summer, caring, past person. Has a dirty sense of humor. March, and trustworthy. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.